Hi, and thank you so much for popping by. My name is Dr. Rita Pobalozui, and you're most welcome to this conversation today. Now, the World Mining Congress is set to be hosted this year in Peru, starting on the 24th to the 26th of June. And it's not too surprising that the Congress is being held in Peru as the country is one of the world's top producers of copper, gold, and silver. Now, although the mining sector contributes significantly to various economies around the world, as is the case in Botswana and other countries, some reports suggest that mining activities have, in some cases, had a negative impact on the environment and a negative impact on communities, which is why one of the global challenges this Congress will address in June is the issue of how to deliver the minerals in a faster, smarter, and more responsible manner. In other words, the Congress will deliberate on the ethics of extracting and processing critical minerals. Jeff, a member of the program committee for this 2026 conference, wrote an editorial for the Global Mining Review explaining the increasing and central role of AI in how critical minerals are found and how they are mined and processed. Jeff observes that in the mining context, AI is now an all-encompassing system that has transformed the mining sector to the degree that AI is now being used to collect data, to create models, and to make decisions in the critical mining sector. Although it is clear from the article that human intelligence, human creativity, and human reasoning is needed, what they are trying to explain is that AI is needed specifically when there are areas of uncertainty or potential surprises, such as in determining if there are economically viable deposits or if the mine itself has economic potential. As such, and according to the article, AI is more cost effective when it comes to mining explorations, as it is more cost effective in aspects such as numerical modeling. Now, an interesting aspect about the article that it really highlights is the untapped areas for innovation in mining. For example, that the industry still seeks more creative and innovative ways for grinding, for flotation, for leaching, and extraction. Now, what I appreciate about this editorial, which is why it caught my attention, is that Jeff and his colleagues are basically advocating for the responsible use of AI in the discovery and exploration of critical minerals. In this case, the mining sector is being proactive by setting frameworks to guide and protect the industry. Alrighty, my friend, I thank you so much for popping by. I hope you are having a lovely day where you are, but most importantly, I hope you're having a healthy day wherever you're watching me from. Bye.